This project was a real collaboration between Heighton, Mezzanine and Bambra Press. From the very start, we sat down and we went through a few different iterations of plans, came up with the structure that we needed, and then the process of getting all of the approvals was really handled by Heighton Mezzanine. They did a fantastic job on that. Till we came to the point of starting the build, where every single detail of the build was double-checked, triple-checked. The cost of managing multiple facilities is enormous, and particularly in this area close to the city, rates are rising, rents are rising, and per foot or per square metre, costs for holding stock is enormous. Having everything in one facility that it can actually improve the workflow has more significant savings than just the economics of the stock. Physically getting the construction done internally, we have equipment that cannot be moved. It's bolted to the floor. If we did move it, it would require a 7-ton forklift and a crane to move it. So we had to work around that, putting the footprint in for the posts, moving forklifts through the factory. So we had full safety briefings for the construction crew and our staff. At no point was anyone to be anywhere near any of the moving equipment. And if you consider some of these beams were enormous, spanning one side of the building to the other, to work while that was happening. It took a little bit of work, but it happened beautifully. It was actually like a symphony to see the cranes and the equipment and the people dancing around, getting out of the way. They did deliver on time. There was some real challenges from our end and from theirs, and certainly regarding council approvals. But we had time constraints regarding leases of other properties that we had to work within. We managed to get it in on time. No one could believe it.
22 years I've been at Bambra, 19 years of driving, 3 years of management, and there's been a lot of changes. We've had 3 factories, now we're all back to 1, so it's worked out good. We don't have the problem about going across the road now. We had the guys go home at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So the boys work from, say, 2 o'clock till 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock every night. So it didn't affect the business at all. No injuries. The boys used all the safety gear, up and down with the little portable cranes. No, it was fine. Awesome.